love bugs, it's your girl Mary and welcome back to another video. In today's video, I will be showing you my detailed wash day routine from start to finish. This routine is what works best for my hair right now, and what works best for me may not work for you, but remember that that is okay because trial and error is all a part of the natural hair game. So I hope that you're able to walk away with some tips and tricks after watching this, and let's get into it. So first things first, please make sure that you detangle your hair before you get it wet, ladies. This is a vital step. You do not want to get into the shower or start wetting your hair in the sink with tangled hair because you will regret it. I'm telling you this from experience. Please just don't do it. But after detangling, I will wet my hair in the shower, and I have low porosity hair, so it takes a while before my hair is completely wet. And knowing what your hair porosity is very important. It truly helps a lot. Hair porosity is basically your hair's ability to absorb and retain moisture. So it can either be low, normal, or high. But knowing this will help you to determine what products and methods will work best for your hair. I make sure that my hair is completely saturated with water before I wash it with either shampoo or co-wash depending on the week. And this is a shampoo week, so we are going to use a shampoo, and I'm going to go in with the Carol's Daughter Wash Day Delight shampoo with aloe. I wash my hair with shampoo every 3 weeks, and I co-wash in between. And doing this routine so far really works for my hair. But I love this product because I'm able to not only work it into my hair, but I'm able to work it into my scalp as well. And I have a dry scalp and it can get very itchy. So this product helps to soothe the itch with the aloe, and I really do love how it feels. So now that I've got my hair nice and clean, I am going to go in with my favorite conditioner at the moment, and this is going to help to start add moisture back to my hair, which is very important because my hair craves moisture. So I am using the Mielle Organics Pomegranate and Honey Moisturizing and Detangling Conditioner. This line is amazing. I love this entire collection. This conditioner, along with the pomegranate and honey leave-in conditioner, does so much for my hair. It just helps to keep it very soft, and it just, oh, chef's kiss. I can go on and on about this. But this conditioner, I'm just going to basically section my hair into 4 parts and then work the product in with a detangling brush. I like to section my hair because my hair is very thick and I need the products to get in and do what it needs to do. So this works best for me. And then once I'm done sectioning it and putting the conditioner and working it in, I'm just going to twist it up and clip it so that I can go ahead and take my shower and wash my body. So now that I've cleansed myself, I have let the conditioner sit in for about 15 minutes. I'm gonna rinse it out, and now I'm about to go in with a deep conditioner. So the deep conditioner that I'm using today is a Mielle Rosemary Mint Strengthening Hair Mask. This is another great collection from Mielle, and I suggest that you go get this and the Rosemary Mint Strengthening Oil because it's so good. But as far as deep conditioning, I deep condition my hair every time I wash my hair because it works well for me. Again, I know I keep repeating myself with saying this, but you have to remember, you have to find what works best for you. That's the best way to be able to get products that work in your favor. So I deep condition every time I wash. So far, it has been working for me, and I basically do the same things that the same thing that I do when I put in the regular conditioner, which is put it into 4 parts and then work it in with either my hand or a detangling brush. And then once I'm done with that, I'm just going to clip it up and I'm gonna let it sit in for about 20 minutes. So this way the conditioner can really penetrate my hair and work to its full potential. And then once I am done with the deep conditioning, I'm just gonna rinse it out and then we're gonna get into styling my hair. So to style it, I'm gonna use oil. So I'm using the Mielle Organic Rosemary Mint Oil, the Pomegranate and Honey Leave-In Conditioner, and then I'm going to use the Texture ID Styling Cream. Y'all, this product, so bomb. And then I'm going to use the Wet Line Extreme Gel to seal the leave-in and the styling cream in. And I do my wash and goes just how I do them any other time. I start with the leave-in, and then I'm going to use the styling cream, and then I'm going to go ahead and use the wet line. I do oil my scalp beforehand, but for some reason I was watching rap shit, so I wasn't really paying attention, and I realized that like after I had already started to put the Texture ID cream on my hair, which you will see in a little bit. But I just section it into 4, and then I will subsection that section and just start to working the products into my hair. Just like you will. Come through and chill. So I just want to get into this Texture ID styling cream. Y'all, this product is a game changer. So shout out to Happy Girl for putting me onto this. I watched one of her YouTube videos and she actually uses this product as a leave-in, and her hair is so beautiful. Her curls are so bomb, and I love watching her videos for like tips and tricks. But she put me onto this. You can find this product at Sally's. You might be able to find it on Amazon too, but I know the only store that I'm able to find this at is Sally's. Like, I can't find it at any beauty supply store. Go out and go get the whole line, honestly. But it works so well. Like, I want you to see, this is where I said I realized that I did not oil my scalp. And also, so with my wash and goes, I have tried so many different ways. So 2 years ago, I could not do a wash and go. Like, I just couldn't. It wasn't my ministry. It wasn't for me. Like, I wasn't using the right products. I also like wasn't using the right method. So I was using the LOC method, which is the leave-in oil and cream method, or I would sometimes use the LCO method, which is leave-in cream oil. And I have realized that putting oil directly on my hair does not work. Also, I cannot just use cream. I have to use gel. Like, watch how defined my curls are going to get once I put this wet line on to really seal in the leave-in and the Texture ID cream. Just watch. So now the wet line is on, and just look how the curls look. They look so good. They look so defined. So as I was saying, for me, I have to use gel. Like the LCO method or the lock method, it does not work for me. And again, repetition is key. You have to find what works for you. That's the only way you will get good wash and goes. Trial and error, and just, use what works for you. But look at the definition in those curls. Come on now. Come on. So I'm just gonna repeat this process until I get all the way through with my hair.
Catching them feelings, know you been on my mind like Kaepernick kneeling.
Oh yes, and ladies, I also want to remind y'all, do not neglect your roots, because it's one thing to have defined curls and then have puffy roots. Like, that's not cute at all. So you want to make sure that you get product on everything from the rooter to the tutor. Okay, so now we are at the front, you know, my problematic area, and I was like, I was being lazy. Like, I filmed this at literally like 12 midnight, and I was being lazy. I didn't want to put perm rods in it. So I was like, I'm going to try and do a side part and, you know, try and hide the less curlier sections. So yeah, it didn't really work out the way I wanted it to, but you'll see what I'm talking about towards the end. So basically right now I'm just trying to figure out how I want to get the side part, and then I'm gonna go in with my diffuser to start drying my hair and setting my curls. And this diffuser, this is another amazing product that I got from Happy Curl Happy Girl. So this is the Slope Hill hair dryer. I'll leave the link down in the description box, but this is like the Dyson dupe, and it works so good. So I just use the diffuser part and I put it on medium heat, and I do this all over hair until it's dry. And now I'm just going to take the concentrator nozzle and just stretch my curls, because shrinkage is real, and I don't like when my curls are like short. I like them to be elongated. So I just take medium heat and I will stretch my curls out. And now I'm just gonna go in with some gel and lay down my edges. As I have said before, I don't do baby hairs because I don't know how to do them, and I'm not a baby. So I just like to put gel on the edges to like lay them down a little bit and clean them up. And I'm just gonna take my rat tail comb to push that in so that it will set. So now I am all done, and this is the finished product. So the next morning when I woke up, I wasn't feeling how the side part was looking, and I kind of regretted not doing my go-to with using perm rods for the little straight pieces in the front. So I ended up going back to a middle part and putting the perm rods in, and I'll insert a picture on how my hair came out after doing that. But yeah, this is my wash and go routine, and I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Please be sure to comment, like, and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one. Bye, love bugs.